Thinking about investing in power tools, but unsure which brand to choose? Look no further. Spend your money on the most reliable, cutting-edge power tools from Ryobi, famous for their cool features and durability. Their wide range of products are designed to make your personal needs and professional work more convenient and easy. So without wasting time, let's discover the 30 coolest power tools from Ryobi that you need to see. Time to shine bright with the Ryobi 18V 1+360 LED light, the coolest and most luminous light by Ryobi. With 3,800 lumens, this light offers 4 different brightness modes that you can choose from according to your preference. One of the best features of this light is its 360-degree coverage, meaning you can see your entire surroundings in the dark with just one portable light. The gadget also comes with adjustable table panels and multiple mounting options, like integrated folding and hanging hooks, so you can easily mount your light according to your convenience. Furthermore, to ensure its versatility, it is built with 2x-capable handles. The light is also compatible with the PCL 690 Tri-Power tripod. It can be set up and used anywhere with help of this tripod. On the single panel mode, this light can run for over 15 hours, thanks to its 4 amp-hour battery. Because of its long-lasting battery life and easy setup features, the Ryobi 18V 1+360 LED light is a perfect carry-on device for travelers and tradespeople. Prioritize your comfort all year long with Ryobi USB Lithium Heated Cushion. This innovative gadget is a modern electric cushion seat that is operated by lithium batteries. Perfect for outdoor adventures, especially during winter. This cordless heated seat offers 3 modes that can be adjusted according to your convenience. The highest temperature it can go is up to 150°F. It is travel-friendly and portable. This gadget has a 2 amp-hour battery that enables 5 hours of runtime. To make it comfortable, it is built with 3 inches of thick cushion, which allows users to relax on it for long periods of time. This cool and unique heated seat is suitable for everyone, but it can be life-changing for elderly people, ground workers, or patients with back problems. There are many heated cushions in the market, but Ryobi USB Lithium Heated Cushions stand out for its multifunctionality. It's not just your ordinary heating set, because it has a built-in 2-port power source that allows charging different electronic devices. Make your journey more musical with the Ryobi's coolest USB Lithium Verse compact speaker. No matter where the road takes you, this ultra-powerful speaker will be by your side, fulfilling your speaker needs. It is IP67, dust and waterproof, perfect compact speaker for camping, traveling, and outdoor activities. It has an impressive 6 hours runtime, along with the capacity of providing studio-quality audio, even in outdoor settings. Connect 100+ speakers with the USB Lithium Verse compact speaker to amplify your sound experience. This feature is great for parties and family movie nights on projectors. The built-in USB port allows recharging while playing audio, and the Bluetooth streaming range is 250 feet, which is extremely convenient for users. Overall, this compact and portable speaker is the perfect gadget for all music lovers who want to live a rugged lifestyle and are looking for a powerful speaker that can withstand any environment. The days of spending hours struggling to spread fertilizers and seeds properly are over. Presenting the Ryobi Lawn Seed Spreader, a cool gadget by Ryobi that is perfect for spreading seeds, fertilizers, and de-icing salt. The cordless and one-handed operation design makes the device user-friendly and comfortable to use, while ensuring an even spread every time. The hopper is built to carry 4 liters worth of dry materials and is extremely easy to refill. For better control and reduced wastage, it is suggested to maintain the variable flow rate and adjustable distribution area from 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. Don't worry about the material flow, as the built-in anti-clog agitator keeps things under wraps. The device is battery operated. For long run time, a 2.5 amp-hour battery can be used to ensure 3 hours service in a single charge. Due to its compact structure and no wire design, the lawn spreader is very portable and can be carried to different locations with ease. Keep your home and cars looking brand new with the Ryobi Buffer, a cutting-edge technology that will help you maintain your precious possessions. The Ryobi Buffer is known for its lightweight body and efficient performance. Doesn't matter if it's your first time polishing or you're a professional, the Ryobi buffer is for everyone. While it's ideal for polishing and waxing car parts, the buffer can also be used to polish furniture, countertops, doors, etc., making it useful for both home projects and garage needs. Along with providing a swirl-free finish due to its random orbit motion, the device also delivers up to 4600 OPM with its powerful motor and also a 2-speed selection switch. For easy use and more control, the gadget is built with dual grip zones that ensures perfect hold while using. The device also allows you to complete any task accurately and beautifully with a 150mm pad. Say goodbye to the heavy and bulky clamping stations. Introducing the Ryobi Portable Clamping Station that is easy to use and can be carried around easily. This innovative gadget is built to ensure fast, hands-free clamping of materials up to 1,000 kilograms, which means that it is ideal for holding car parts, bicycles, timber, wooden sheets, and tubing. To set up the station, simply adjust the clamping jaws according to the size of your material, then place the material between the jaws. In order to secure the material, tighten the clamping mechanism and then perform your task. Once you're done, loosen the mechanism and remove the material. The portable clamping station has an impressive clamping range of 0 to 940 millimeters, along with the maximum clamping force of 1,000 kilograms and the maximum load capacity of 250 kilograms. The device is made from fully with solid steel, which makes it durable and strong. Ever imagined a storage system with wheels? Presenting the Ryobi Link Rolling Storage System. The perfect solution for arranging and transporting your instruments, arts and crafts, and other household tools. With its high-strength carts and telescoping handles, the device is durable and offers a great mobile storage solution. The rolling toolbox features 9 inches of all-terrain wheels for easy mobility and a modern-looking design. The users have clear tops for rapid access and IP65 rated seals for water and dust protection, making the device suitable for long-term use under different conditions. It is compatible with the Ryobi Link hanging storage system, allowing even more storage options. Organize your space using different components of the storage system that includes different carts, crates, toolboxes, organizers, and stack them together as you wish. This product is suitable for people who need a storage unit that allows them to store their tools and gadgets in an orderly manner and carry them around the house or work areas with ease. Turn your garden debris into a valuable mulch with the Ryobi 36V HP Brushless Crushing Shredder, a powerful and convenient tool with 36V HP brushless motor. The shredder is a battery-powered gadget that is cordless, which allows users to shred branches up to 40 mm in diameter without the need for any petrol or a power unit. The device is great for shredding palm fronds. Its 3:1 material crushing ratio ensured reduced garden waste by up to 75%, which saves space in your green bin. Along with that, it is also equipped with user-friendly features like 2-speed motors with a stop button option, an LED jam indicator that shows where the jam is, and a reverse mode that cleans the jams. The Ryobi Crushing Shredder ensures an efficient and quick operation while providing the best performance. Additionally, the shredder comes with an adjustable blade calibration function that allows users to maintain optimal shredding performance, and the compact design with foldable legs makes storage easy. Finally, the opaque bin is easy to handle since it comes with a bin safety function. Overall, this product is a must-have cool gadget for gardening enthusiasts. Go anywhere in the world without worrying about recharging your devices, because the Ryobi 36-volt power station inverter is the ultimate power hub that will make traveling more enjoyable and convenient for you. This device is a reliable power source made for different outdoor activities and emergency situations. Whether you're camping, relaxing on a beach, dealing with a power outage, or lost in a forest, this lightweight and portable inverter can keep your essential devices running smoothly to ensure your safety and security. Moreover, with just 2 5-amp-hour Lithium Plus batteries, users can enjoy up to 360 watt-hours of energy. It comes with USB-A, USB-C, and 240-volt outlets that are perfect for charging phones, tablets, and other electronics. Powered by Ryobi 36-volt batteries, This inverter can safely power devices rated up to 1600 watt in total. The device includes a charger for convenient recharging and pure sine wave technology. Conservatively, the power station inverter operates silently and creates no exhaust fumes. As a result, it is considered an ideal device for indoor and noise-sensitive environments. Regular cleaning brushes are no longer durable and effective for stubborn dirts. Tackle hard cleaning jobs with the Ryobi Hex Shank bristle brushes. These cool and technologically advanced brushes can be used with any drill machine, regardless of brand. Besides, it comes with 3 Hex Shank bristle brushes with different stiffness options that can be used according to your cleaning requirements, allowing a wide range of cleaning possibilities. The soft blue bristles are ideal for fragile and delicate surfaces like windows, mirrors, and carpets, while the medium green bristles are perfect for tackling everyday grime on areas with tiles, countertop, car wheels, washing machines, boats, and more. Lastly, the hard black bristles used for a heavy-duty cleaning like barbecue grill plates, unpainted brickwork, unpolished concrete, and pavers. Along with that, it's also great for peeling paint and rust. The Hex Shanks brushes are 9mm in diameter, perfect to clean tough spots. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below which Ryobi product you think is the coolest. Hit the bell icon to never miss a video. See you in the next one.